So yeah, starting to look more like a shop. Okay, so I got my Craftsman toolbox in, and gonna bust this thing open, put it together. I don't know how much assembly is required, but I'm sure there's some. So we'll get this thing all hooked up, put together, and then I can start organizing all this mess of tools, plus all the stuff in the garage, and get this place a little more organized. So let's get started. All right, this is my Skill electric drill plug-in. Now, this was my dad's drill. I don't know how long he had it, but he gave it to me in 1985. And I've had it ever since then. And this thing is probably going to last another 100 years. It is super strong. It's heavy. And when you run it, it smells like one of those old train sets. Anyway, this is going to be the first tool that I put in the new toolbox. I'll wrap it up nicer, but there we go. First tool in the new toolbox, Papa's drill. Okay, so I've got my toolbox loaded up pretty good. I'm going to be changing this around, but for now, it's a start. I got some stuff on top that I use a lot. And then screwdrivers, nothing, bunch of pliers and stuff, standard, metric, opened in, and sockets, files. This I definitely got to organize this. I don't really use these that much because I have a different set that's in a case that I use all the time. Miscellaneous stuff, drilling, grinding. See, I'm going to put this stuff probably on the wall with a charging station or something. Sanders. That stuff will probably go on the wall later on. Blades. Let's see. Yep. And drill bits. So, anyway, it's a good start. Got some things organized now a little better. Yeah, so it's great. It's in a good location. Pretty central to everything. Okay, so today I'm going to be mounting this Wilton vise that I picked up used on Craigslist. Now, it's in good shape. It's actually never been used. It's been sitting in a box for X number of years. But we'll go through the operation of this thing after I get it mounted. So I'm mounting it so that if I put something in here, it doesn't hit the bench. I should maybe leave a little more room, but I want to get the holes far from the edge as I can. So let's get this thing bolted down, and then we'll play with it a little bit. Alright, so I got it mounted. Let's take a look at some of the things this thing can do. Just wanted to make a cut on a 2x4 or something. Lock it in there, and it's in there nice and strong. It's bolted 4 bolts to the 2x10 bench. So it's pretty steady. Definitely. Okay, so we got that. Now you loosen this guy, you can rotate this thing. You can, well, start here. Tighten that up. Drop a pipe in here. Get that pipe mount. You cut your pipe, the hacksaw, whatever you gotta do, weld stuff, who knows. So we've got something up here. I don't know how to use this one really, but maybe it's for something like that, who knows. Alright, let's put this in this guy. Crank this around. It's got a little dial over here for the angle, although there's no marker. Put a little mark on there when it's straight. Get it, I'll level it up and put a mark there. Okay, so now I'm going to loosen two of these. So a lot of these bikes only have one. This guy's got two clamps, one on each side. Rotate it to this side. Same thing, tighten down. Two clamps. You know, work this way if you need to. Same thing, very strong. It's good. Got a little anvil here. You need to clean this up some, get it oiled up. But yeah, I definitely like it. It's going to be a really good addition to the shop here. I use it like this most of the time. Just like that. Great. Love it. Okay, so I've got this mounted. It's on here good. Mounted 4 bolts. Plug it in. Light. It's nice. Alright, let's see what we got here. Variable speed. Alright. Cool. I like it. Okay, we're making progress. Got the miter station set up. Got our tool chest in and loaded up. All the tools in there. Got the Wilton vise bolted down and ready to use on the heavy duty workbench. And I got the grinder set up, ready to go. So yeah, starting to look more like a shop. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.